Use a commercial solvent cleaner designed for upholstery and follow the label directions exactly to avoid water stains and irreversible fiber damage. For solvent-only furniture, start by testing the cleaner on a hidden area like the underside of a cushion or the back panel and wait the manufacturer recommended time so you can see any color shift or finish damage. Work in a well-ventilated space and wear chemical-resistant gloves to protect skin and a respirator rated for organic vapors if you are in an enclosed area for more than a few minutes. Apply the solvent sparingly with a clean white cloth using light blotting motions, rather than rubbing to avoid pushing soils deeper into fibers or causing pile distortion. Use small circular motions only when the fabric can tolerate it, and keep a dampening cloth ready to blot excess solvent so it does not puddle on the surface. After cleaning, allow the piece to dry completely in air at room temperature before using a fan to speed evaporation if needed, and do not use heat sources that can set stains or melt synthetic fibers. Always follow the upholstery manufacturer's guidance when available, and keep the material tag codes and photos of the fabric handy if you need to consult a professional cleaner later. The most common mistake is using water or water-based detergents on solvent-only fabrics, which leads to water rings and permanent fiber swelling, so avoid any water contact and use only approved solvent cleaners. Another frequent issue is oversaturating the fabric, which can dissolve adhesives under trim or leave rings as the solvent spreads, so apply sparingly, blot often, and work in small areas. A third problem is failing to ventilate, which increases health risk and can leave residual odors. Open windows, run exhaust fans, and use a respirator for prolonged exposure. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we connect homeowners with local contractors and a community of people sharing experiences and advice about jobs like solvent cleaning. We help contractors find work by listing projects and providing a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange tips and referrals.